orange, blue, and any other color.
The 7th place goes to the origin and nationality, like American, Mexican, African, or Filipino, and so on and so on. For the 8th order, the material is placed. Is it metal, wooden, glass, or plastic? Let's read it one more time. Quantity, quality, size, shape, age, color, origin, and material. Great job!
Let's try to arrange these jumbled words to make a sentence. First comes the quantity, then the quality, the size, the color, and at last, the material. Three beautiful small red ceramic cups. Good job!
How about this one? Let's fix it. First comes the quantity, then the quality, the size, the age, the color, and lastly, the origin. Two lovely, long, old, brown American coats. Very good.
And that's how adjectives are properly ordered, kiddos. We'll see you next time for another quick and exciting English lesson. Bye!